everyone. So we are now starting with 2.9. And in my 2.9 level lessons, we work on rudiments. What are rudiments? Rudiments are exercises that we do in order to help improve our technique, our speed, our sound, all of that. And the rudiments that I teach my students in 2.9 are based on the rudiments that were taught by Steve Condos. So it's very possible you've seen some of this before. Some of these have my own little take on them, but most of them are pretty close to the rudiments he taught. Big difference. We do them quite a bit slower than what he used to do. He had amazingly fast feet and he made beautiful sounds. And so these exercises are designed to help you achieve a better sound and better speed. We are going to start with a very easy one. It's basically just a shuffle, step, heel. All of this particular set of rudiments start with shuffle, step, heel. And you'll see that as we progress. He had other rudiments too that started with other things, but these are the shuffle, step, heel rudiments. So give it a try. The very first one we're going to do is nice and easy. You're going to start with a shuffle, step, heel. So let me turn sideways. You're doing your shuffle out to the front, and remember you're keeping everything to the front. You're not going to cross any behind. You're going to keep it to the front, and then you're going to do your step, heel. And you want to really try to start shifting the weight on that step and not do a shuffle, touch, heel, and then shift your weight. So you're doing shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. We are going to do 8 of these total. This is sort of our introduction just to kind of get things going. After this one, we are only doing 4 of each, or 2 complete sets. So for this, we're doing 8 or 4 complete sets. So starting with the right foot, you're going to go shuffle, step, heel, 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 shuffle, step, heel. Good, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, 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 shuffle, step, heel. Now, as you progress through this level, we will be doing these at various speeds, so we'll do things kind of slow. Eventually, we're going to work to take things faster as well. Let's do this one more time. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, 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 shuffle. Shuffle, step, heel, 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 shuffle,